This is a simple video today. I'm going to show you exactly how to send discount codes after somebody leaves you either a positive or a negative review through the use of email and Klaviyo. My name's Gavin. I like to use my hands a lot when I describe videos. If you like this video, subscribe. There's a link to my school community, which is completely free in the description. Check that out. But let me share my screen and show you how to integrate a review platform and actually trigger email automations off of the quality and the nature of the review that somebody gives you. Let's get into it. So a lot of people try and incentivize reviews through the use of a reward after they actually give a positive review. But how do you do that, right? So the first thing you need to make sure is that you have like a post-purchase flow that once somebody places an order, for example, like this, we go build your own, we go test, we go create manually. After somebody places an order, for example, all triggers, go here, go placed order, bing. When somebody places an order, hit save, confirm and save. That should trigger the request for a review. Now I have flow outlines for how to actually request these reviews. There's a link in the school community. So just click the link in the description of this video. There's a link to my free school community. It's free, where I teach you how to build out post-purchase flows properly. But let's assume that you have an email here that goes like, yep, somebody placed an order, and then in this email, you ask them for the review, and then they go ahead and give you that review. Now, if you offer them an incentive for that review, like, hey, leave us a review and you get 10% off, fantastic. How do you know they've given you that review though? So first thing you need to make sure is that you have your integrations set up. So if you go into the left-hand side here and you click the integrations, most review platforms like Judge Me, for example, are going to pass metrics into your Klaviyo account that will tell you about the review that you received. So in the case of Judge Me, now there's a bunch of review platforms out there, right? Pretty much all of these platforms, when you integrate them to Klaviyo, will pass information regarding the nature of the review. If we click Judge Me, for example, right, we can see here that the review is done. But if we go over here on the left-hand side and we click Metrics, and we click Judge Me, so Metrics, Judge Me, we should see the following metrics come through: positive, negative, submitted review, or eligible for a Judge Me review request. Okay. Now, if you wanted to send everybody who placed an order a review request, you would just use it off of the placed order metric. Alternatively, you could use Judge Me's eligible for Judge Me review request metric to trigger that flow. As an example, we'd go into flows here. We'd go ahead and click create flow, build your own. We'd call this ID test just as an example. And we'd find the positive, or rather eligible for Judge Me. So you'd go metric and you type in Judge Me. For some reason it doesn't want to come up. Find it down here, your metrics, click Judge Me, eligible for Judge Me review request. This flow would trigger the request for a review. Now, after they've given you that review, you want to send them an email saying, thank you for your review, here's your discount code. Click Submitted Review. This will trigger the flow when somebody has submitted the review. Really quickly, sorry to interrupt the video. I just wanted to tell you something really cool that we've started doing with Inbox. I've actually created a school community where I teach you anything and everything I know about email and SMS marketing, from really advanced campaign strategies to how to simply set up your Klaviyo account, all the way to building really, really cool automations for the back end of your e-commerce store. Whether you're a business owner trying to learn how to do email marketing or an email marketer trying to learn how to become a better email marketer, there is a link in the description to this school community where I teach you everything I know. Check it out, it's worthwhile. Book a call to have a chat with me to see if you're a right fit for the community, and if you are, I'd love to get you in there. Anyway, sorry for interrupting your video, let's get back to it. Now, what if it's a positive or a negative review? The wording in your email needs to be different based on that review. So, if they have a positive review, you want to say, hey, thank you so much for your positive review. Here's your discount code for your next purchase. If it's a negative review, you want to say, we're really sorry. How can we improve our product? Let us know how we can help you. Also, here's your discount for your next purchase. The wording needs to be different. You can't be like all, yay, thank you so much for your negative review. That doesn't make sense. Your wording needs to change. So you take the trigger split and you say trigger split. So this trigger split will pull data from the submitted review metric, and you'll look for the quality of the review. If it's negative, they go on the left-hand side saying, we're sorry, here's your discount code. If it's positive, they go on the right-hand side saying, thank you, here's your discount code. So we click rating is at least 4, right? If it's out of 5, 4. If it's a 3, you can consider it negative. So in this case, it would be is greater than 3. If it's greater than 3, meaning it's a 4 or 5, they go down the right-hand side, or sorry, the left-hand side, because it's yes. This would be the positive review email. Thank you so much. Here's your discount code. If it's less than 4, meaning it is 3, sorry, if it's less or if it's not greater than 3, sometimes these terminologies can get difficult. If it's not greater than 3, it means it's a 3, 2, or 1, meaning it's a bad review. So you send them an email here that says, we're sorry, here's your discount code, how can we improve? That is how you send incentives after somebody has given you a review. If you have any questions, let me know. Join my school community. I have a bunch of free stuff. Look, I'll even show you right now. If you click the link down below, you'll see this school community here. It's completely free to join. We have 1,600 members. We have weekly calls at 4 p.m. every week. We got a free one coming up on the 29th of May, if you're watching this in May. And so 100%, join this. It's one of the best places. I have tips on how to grow your agency, how to get clients, how to set up an account, how to build pop-up forums, how to build really intelligent, in-depth flows, a whole bunch of stuff. Join that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.